This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Got one more question regarding the domain where it says domain says SSL unavailable. This type of problem happens when we connect a new domain to the Shopify. We have two options. We can connect existing domain or we can buy a new domain from Shopify. In both cases, when we are connecting a domain to Shopify, it takes some time to propagate. So what we need to do, we just need to check whether the connection is successful or not. If the connection is successful and the SSL is not coming properly, then what we have to do is just wait for 24 to 72 hours. Maximum 72 hours it takes to propagate. Once the propagation is done, you should see your site properly with the domain name that you have added. To change the primary domain www or without www, you have the option over here. You can change it www.yourdomainname.com, or you can open your site without www, that is from here. It is recommended you use only one thing, either with www or without. Don't make both in the live site because it will create some canonical error. So it is recommended to use uh, without www for the domain name, but it is totally up to you. So SSL is created by default in Shopify. You do not have to do anything regarding SSL. You just need to check the connection of the domain. If it is proper, it will come up within 72 hours max. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.